What is up, you guys? It's your girl shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to transform your cheap, inexpensive, however you want to put it, synthetic wig into this marvelous creation in front of me. In front of you. How I just messed up my own intro. I'm sharing all the tea on this hair. I'm sharing all the tea on how I installed it. I just gave y'all a Nicki Minaj. I'm basically going to be showing you guys how to transform your synthetic and cheap wig into looking as natural as possible. Like, does this look like some synthetic mess that I paid under $50 for? I don't think so. So I'm going to share the wealth with you guys. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out. So the first thing I did was part my hair in the way that I plan on wearing it. And I realized that the spacing is very, very thin and not very realistic. So you want to go ahead and pluck the hair and make your part a little bit more spacey and give it that real effect. Look at the difference in the part that I plucked and the part that I didn't touch yet. I put foundation on my stocking cap right there just to give it a natural look, like it's my actual scalp where the parting is. And I folded the lace to get it out the way. I actually thought I was recording this whole time and I wasn't, so I was talking to myself. However, what I am doing, good thing I only did one side. This side has not been cut at all yet. So you can see how this is how the hair started out for me. This is how the hair started out for me. And you see that there's a lot of body down here and it's just long. No layers, no nothing. Looking like the queen of the jungle. But what I'm doing now is working on layering the hair and thinning out the hair because it needs to be a little bit thinner and it can use a little bit more body at the top. What I am doing is thinning out the hair by cutting it. So let's say for instance we have this piece of hair. It could use some layering and some thinning. What I am doing is basically rubbing my scissors down this section. That's all I'm doing. Take it again. The thinner, the smaller the piece of hair, probably be easier if you're holding scissors, like I am. And I'm doing it just like that. See, I want some shorter hair at the top of my head, so. Don't put no scissors in my hands. I likes to cut, okay? Okay. I'm just gonna get a little bit more. A little bit more. More. Do y'all judge me for being a weirdo? It comes with my sign. If you didn't know, I am mixed. I'm mixed. Oh, no, I'm not talking about nationality. I'm talking about, I'm mixed with Capricorn and Aquarius. Okay. So. And if you want to know how, I will explain that later on. I want to do like a about me video type of Q&A or introduction video introducing myself, but I have to wait because I don't have enough subscribers right now. But we'll get there. And when I do, that's when I'll do an introduction and introduce myself. I just need to have like, I think with my first 1,000 subscribers, I will do a video introducing myself. That sound right? I think that sounds right. Okay, so let's take a look and judge. I just want y'all to see that I'm not cutting for no reason. Okay, let's kind of brush this out. Brush this out. Now, look at the difference already. This side has a thinner look on the ends than this. This is just too much. This looks a little bit more realistic. I cut some layers into it and I'll probably cut some more. But I like this look better than this. Looking like the rain, the girl in the rain. All right, I'm gonna go to the other side. Stay tuned. I just wanted to show you that this is another way that I thinned out my hair by raking the scissors across it. Better! Much better! Okay, so now that I cut this hair, I need a bow. Okay, so now I just want to cut this lace finally. This lace is doing way too much. Too much. Ooh, I can't see it all, child. Now we have cut the lace. I'm just gonna adjust this where I want it on my head. Basically, there's drawstrings on the wig, so it's secure enough that it ain't gonna fall off my head, you know? But if you pull it, it's coming off. Now we're gonna work on the baby hairs. And y'all know I'm using my Got To Be Glued gel. That is definitely my bestie. Hey. Okay, so you guys have now seen how I applied this hair, so I'm just going to give you the details of it. This hair is by Show Coco. It came in a bag like this. They also give you this ring in which my little fingers, yeah, it's a no, but it's really cute. But it does not fit my fingers at all. It's just way too big. And the little short backstory of me doing this video is, if you guys know who TheRealNyee is, she is a YouTuber and I 100% got this idea from her. She's the reason why I ordered this hair. She got it in the natural brown color. So this hair comes in a natural brown color, it comes in jet black, and it comes in this color, which I guess they consider red. It's like burgundy to me. And so she inspired me to do this video because I loved how that hair looked on her. And for the simple fact that it was cheap hair, I'm like, you know, I'm all about a save. I don't have the money to spend on expensive hair. I'm on a budget. I was curious of how the red hair looked when I saw her rocking the natural brown color. So I'm like, I need to get the red one. And then I thought again to myself, there may be other people who watched her video who want to see how the red looks. Because I'm going to tell you right now, when I looked on Amazon for this hair, and you click on the red does not look like this. Like the burgundy doesn't look like this. It looks weird. It almost look orange. So what I did was ordered it, and voila. I'm actually very, very pleased with it. The hair feels amazing. It feels so good to be synthetic hair. It feels really good. Another tip is that they say you can't apply heat to the hair, so that's also cool. I don't know why you would want to, though. I don't really... The curl pattern is 100% perfect. I have no complaints. I mean, what else can I say? The packaging also came with this wig cap. I didn't use it, but it does come with that. And it also came with this this letter, basically thanking the customer for purchasing their item. So that's pretty nice too. I wanted to show you guys a really good Valentine's Day look. Get some inspiration for Valentine's Day. I think that the red goes perfectly for Valentine's Day. I'm going to put the link to this hair down below, so if you want to get this hair too, go ahead and get you some. I just had to share this with y'all because I'm all about a good save, and I created this channel solely to spread the word. Every time I do my hair, I'm always getting questions of where I got it from, how I did it. So the purpose of this channel is to just share the information and not have to repeat myself a million times. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and click that link in the description box if you want to check out this hair. It was for the low. For the low. I'm telling you, for the low. This hair was under $50. Under $50. Okay. And if you are interested in what I have on my lips, I'll give you a close-up of that. I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeVille. If you're interested in what this is, click on the pop-up right above me if you are interested in how I achieved this lip look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up if you're ready for Valentine's Day. And if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I got so much in store for you guys. So, okay. All right now. And I will see you guys next time.